explosion time. It would be best if you use this to put it in here since it's going to be a messy job. The first one, we're going to do it like this. Then we're going to taste it and see if it's good, and we'll tell you. Okay. 1. You might... Oh, let's explode now. Oh, let's go. Oh yeah, bring it to the top, baby. Oh, exploding. Call 911. Okay, I'm stuck now. Okay. It just won't stop. Okay. Now this is good to taste it. There. It tastes good. Delicious. Yeah, there's a little bit more. Let's dump it in there.
Let's dump the baby in.
Oh yeah. Now there's more here.
Wait.
Wait. Did I mention that it's gonna be a messy job? Oh yeah. Hope you guys have fun when you make it. Look at it. Look at it. It's so messy. Okay, let's shake it up now. Explode! Explode, almighty! Explode! Explode, almighty! Explode, almighty! Cheers. Oh, I'm dying.
Is it good?
No, it ain't good. Woo!
Okay, let's try it.
Thanks for watching.